Hi, let's check if an iPhone camera is original. For that, we are gonna start with opening settings, selecting General Settings, and then About tab. So now I want you to take a look at this panel under Coverage Expired. If you can see here section Parts and Service History, then you have some camera parts replaced. So if you can see in this section Camera Genuine Apple part, then it was an original Apple's camera. If you can see Camera Unknown, then this detail which was replaced, or the whole camera is non-original, non-Apple, or just from another device. If you cannot see here those sections, then your camera is definitely original. Now we can also test the camera itself. So let's go ahead and open it up. And firstly, I want you to test zoom from 0.5 to the maximum you have on your camera. In my case, it is 15. So take photos and videos by switching between different zoom modes to test the camera's performance. You can tap on the zoom to switch between them and make sure that everything is smooth and that the picture is clear and detailed. Also, you can switch to the front camera using those two arrows icon at the down right corner. You can repeat the zoom here like that and capture tests for the front camera to make sure that all the functions are working correctly. Also, I want you to inspect the camera lenses on your device. So take a look at the camera lenses. Make sure that there are no scratches, smudges, or other damage. So finding such defects may indicate that the camera may need to be replaced. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.